next time on another exciting episode of
Monster's Time!
Hi there. If you were able to watch through all of that, odds are you're likely pretty strange, such as myself. So why don't we do a little exercise in maintaining our weirdities? What's the strangest thing you can think to say or ever heard anybody say? Drop it in the comment section, and I'll try to hit you back with one. I'll give you a few to get started. Powdered mayonnaise, hairy soup hole, Windex enema. Alright people, let's see what you got. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.